Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing some Ringke iPhone 8 Plus phone cases. Ringke's been a part of my channel for a while now, and I actually requested these cases from them because I just got my hands on an iPhone 8 Plus. It is the red edition too, which is pretty sweet. So you can check out that unboxing video as well. But we obviously need a case to go with it, and I'm a big fan of Ringke and their products. They're very affordable. You can check them out on Amazon, see if they're the right case and company for you. I've been really happy with them. They just have awesome products, which we'll see in this video right now. So we'll go ahead and we'll look at all three cases that I got from them. So this is the Ringke. It's a slim model black for the iPhone 7 Plus and 8 Plus. So that's the first case we'll go ahead and look at. And as you can see from the packaging, it's eco-friendly, which is awesome. It's all billed as like a military grade protection, so it's drop tested, shock absorption, eco packaging. They got a great little package going on for a phone case. I'm really excited with it. Already have 10 million people using their products, so go ahead, check them out on Amazon. You'll be happy. Links in my video description below. Now we'll dive right in for this first case. Here is how it comes packaged to you. I love that they give you a thank you note, and you can connect with them. So if you're not satisfied, they have a guarantee. You can talk with them and share and voice any concerns you have. Here's that first case. It's the ultimate way to slim, Ringke Slim Case, 360-degree technology, if you can read any of that in there. Made in Korea, and we'll go ahead and see how it fits on the iPhone. We'll show you the back too. That's the back, just a hard plastic, but gonna be a great device, great kit for your device. There, really slim. That's kind of an understatement, I guess. They do a great job. You can hardly tell that your device even has a case on. So that's the slim version. Looks really nice. See if we can get it off now and try on the next one. The next case we have to look at is the Onyx black eco package as well for the iPhone 8. Very similar packaging. Not as hard as the previous case. We'll go ahead and dive right in for this one. Out of this package came a little silicone packet too. Again, same thank you note, wonderful job. I really like the pattern on this, just initially seeing it. This is a cool case. This is hard. This is softer. It's got a cool design on the back. I don't know how they do that, so that's really neat. And then I like the little grooves and the details on the side, and you can see your buttons are covered. And then this is a really cool back for that Onyx case. Now we'll go ahead and put this one into. Oh, fits great. Looks really cool. What a neat case. We'll set it down too so you can just kind of see. Really happy with that one. That's awesome. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and look at the clear case from Ringke. This is for your iPhone 8 Plus. Same packaging, looks awesome. Now we'll just jump right in and look at it. So this one, thank you note again, and it actually has a Fusion DIY cutting edge guide. So it's got protective film to remove on the clear case too, if you're interested. We'll just leave it on now for the video. And we'll put the case in and see how we like it. Fits great. Looks really cool. Not a bad option if you have this red phone and you want to show off the back. Looks really neat. Again, really clear. I can't stress enough how thin these are. All these cases do a great job of not adding any bulk to your phone. So really a big fan of all three of them. Might not hurt to actually have a couple different choices in your arsenal if you want a different case for every day and whatnot. So awesome phone cases. They do a great job. Go ahead, check out the link to these cases in my video description below, and feel free to like, comment, share. Be happy to dialogue with you guys online, and stay tuned for my next video.